Hello buddies, welcome to my channel Learn with Ember. So in today's class we are going to learn about nervous system part 2. So nervous system consists of brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. So we already learned about brain. So let's give a quick recap of the brain. Brain is the control center of our body and controls all our actions. Brain is protected by skull, so it receives messages and give instructions to the body parts. So in today's class we are going to learn about the spinal cord. So So, can you see this white bone? This is actually the backbone. Can you see these yellow nerves? What are these actually? These yellow nerves are the spinal cord. It is protected by the backbone, or you can say spine. So, the spinal cord is protected by the backbone or the spine. Reflex act, and its main function is to control the reflex action. So what happens when you see your favorite tasty food in front of you? Your mouth starts watering, and that water is known as saliva. Or what happens when you touch an hot flame? You quickly pull your finger back. So these are the examples of reflex action. So now the question arises that what is a reflex action? Reflex action is a quick automatic response of our body to a sudden change in the surrounding environment. And it is done without any immediate instruction from the brain. So, we have learned that the brain gives instruction to our hands or the body parts. So, how we pull our hand back if we don't get any immediate instructions from the brain? Well, it is because of the motor and the sensory nerves. When we accidentally touch an hot flame, can you see this blue nerve going to the spinal cord? This nerve is known as sensory nerves. So sensory nerves give the spinal cord the message that the surface is hot. So the spinal cord gives instructions to the motor nerve, and the motor nerve carries that message to the hand and give instruction to pull it back. So sensory neurons and motor neurons. So let's study more about them. So first the question arises that what are neurons? A bundle of nerves are called neurons. So this is the central nervous system, that is the spinal cord. So in the external or the internal environment, what happens? For the sensory nerve give messages to the central nervous system, that is the spinal cord, and then it sends a motor nerve to the body part to carry the message. So same cycle happens in the internal environment. So time for a fun fact. Do you know that reflex action is done as fast as if blinking your eyes? Okay, I have accidentally, yesterday I have accidentally touched an hot candle flame. I suddenly pull my hand back, as it is done as fast as blinking your eyes. So time for question time. So fill in the blanks with the correct word. Spinal cord is protected by. Give the answer in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time up. That is spine, or you can also say it as backbone. So I'm writing here spine. Nerves that carry message to the spinal cord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time up. That is sensory nerve. Sensory. Oh. Sensory? No. So give an example of reflex action, not from the previous slides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time up. When something comes closer to your eyes, you suddenly blink your eyes. So this is also an example of the reflex action. Last question. Important function of the spinal cord is to control 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is to control reflex action. So please like and don't forget my channel. Please share with your friends, and if you are new, so please subscribe my channel and please on the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So I hope you learned something new in this today's class. So bye. Keep practicing, keep studying. Study is important as well as playing in some. So stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.